Welcome to this next video in a series of GIS tutorials geared towards local officials on how to use FEMA base-level engineering datasets in GIS to support flood hazard mitigation decisions. This tutorial series was developed by the Water Institute of the Gulf in partnership with FEMA Region 6 through FEMA's Cooperating Technical Partners Program. This video will serve as an introduction to a case study area that will be used to demonstrate the utility of BLE data for local officials and how BLE data can be understood in the context of local decision-making. On this map, the white outline shows the boundaries of the watershed for which BLE data has been produced. The red diamonds show locations of letters of map change, or LOMCs. We know from conversations with the community that this unincorporated area in the blue square is one where there has been significant new development in the past 10 to 15 years, and where additional new development is planned. This area has experienced significant flooding and heavy rainstorm events in recent years. If we zoom in, we can see from the FEMA National Flood Hazard Layer that some of this area within the watershed has a last effective firm from 2010. A portion of this area within the watershed has a last effective firm of 1989, and these maps are paper, not digitized. The age of this area's firms make it particularly relevant when demonstrating the utility of FEMA BLE data. Here you can see the paper firm from 1989. The blue square shows the extent from the previous slide from the NFHL viewer. You can see that most of this area falls within Zone A. You can also see on this map a well of some kind mapped in the upper left corner. Here's the aerial view from 2005. You can see the well site from the firm, and it appears to be a sand mine. You can also see here that by 2019, much more of this area has been developed. A closer look shows the extent of this new development. This shows the 1% AEP flood depth data from the BLE dataset. You can see here that much of the neighborhood is within the 1% flood depth grid. You can see in red a creek that runs through this area. As you can see, it seems that the only way in and out of this area is a road that runs over the creek. The next two videos will demonstrate how to use BLE data for emergency management, as well as planning future development.